Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla on Monday afternoon reached state capital Imphal even as hundreds of protesters formed a human chain along the 6-kilometer stretch of Tidim Road awaiting for him. An official said due to the prevailing situation in the state capital Imphal, Governor Bhalla took an army chopper from airport to Kangla Fort located some 300 meters from the Raj Bhavan. Bhalla had left Manipur on May 21 for Delhi for official purposes. Meanwhile, protesters were left frustrated after learning Bhalla had skipped travelling by road and took a chopper from the airport. Kokomi Women Wing convener R.K. Tharaksana told reporters the governor not being able to travel by road and meeting the people clearly shows that he has made a mistake. She said they will not stop protests now. He has further poured oil into the fire by his actions of not meeting his public today. Tharaksana also stated that they never planned any violence act during protests but simply to raise slogans as part of democratic actions.
So your name please?
My name is Malanganbi.
And why is this protest all about?
This is a protest against the governor and the chief secretary due to the recent incident that he ordered to remove the Manipur in this Manipur state. This is the reason why we are protesting here.
So, as far as I can believe, you people are doing it in a peaceful manner.
Yeah.
So, what is the symbol that you are? What is the message that you people want to send?
We want to say it is very simple. He should apologize in the way that he ordered to remove our Manipur from the Manipur state. It is only to apologize. We only need to apologize and say we are sorry. But if it not, then she should leave this Manipur. He is not perfect. He is trying to say he is not perfect, or is this a proxy war, or is this some secret agenda in here? We are very confused. So he or she should apologize or confess to the Manipur people.
Your name please?
I'm Uthan Thoroizen.
And what is this protest all about?
You see, some 2-3 days back there had been some problems while there is a celebration for this Shiroi Lily, where MST Bless it was asked to blockade this name of the Manipur. And at that time, since then, this is something which is very linked to our emotional attachment to the Manipur. And we are still very much amazed. And I think this is a sort of somebody where who never knows about the history, about the sentiments of the Manipur. They have given some order that the MST bus, in the MST bus, that Manipur, it should be either removed or it should be covered, which is totally against the sentiments of the Manipur. So since then, we are requesting to the governor and those who are responsible authority who have given this order, that was given order to cover this Manipur ward. So it is in regards to this protest that I'm coming here as a part of the citizens of Manipur.
So the act of